Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, open Clock app. Then select Alarm section over here and tap on this plus icon. Then set up an hour. Now you need to click on Repeat and tap on one of those options. Once, Daily, Monday to Friday or Custom. If you wish to choose Custom, you need to click on it and tap on Days of the Week manually. Then save them by choosing OK. Now click on Ringtone, tap on one of those options, in my case pre-installed, and choose Apply next to the chosen one, in my case Breeze. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and click on one of those sources. Then click on the song that you wish to set up from your smartphone and tap on the check mark below. Lastly, choose Apply next to it and tap on OK. Then click on the back button, select Allow in this pop-up, and finally tap on this filter next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to manage vibrations. Then click on Label, save your label by choosing OK, and finally set up your alarm clock by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner of it. Then click on Allow one last time. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and selecting one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, select the delete icon over here, and now it's gone. In order to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those two dots at the top right corner, choose Settings and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!